In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Instagram. So go to Instagram, go to your chats at the top right hand corner here, and go ahead and choose a conversation that you want to get rid of. So I'm just going to choose this one. And what you can do here is go ahead and click and hold what you wrote, and you have two options here. You can either hit delete for you, which would delete it just on your end of the conversation, or you can hit unsend and it will unsend the message on both ends to whoever you're talking to. So I'm just going to hit delete for you. And what you can do is X out of this conversation, and if you want to delete the entire conversation by itself, is click and hold and swipe, and you're going to get an option to remove this conversation. It will erase the chat from history, and you can hit remove, and that's it. Those are two ways to delete messages in a conversation and the entire conversation, and that's it.